Right, so I did this video just over 5 months ago in the rain in March when we just bought the property. Still haven't emptied the gutter. Done a little bit of other stuff though. So we have completely changed the house. If you look at the previous video, this was a door into the living room. Obviously we've added a big double door there, an even bigger door there, and the wall has gone into the kitchen. So we've put down limestone stone floor, we've laid underfloor heating under it, which isn't connected yet, but we'll get there. Decking outside. I mean, it has been raining, but unlike the first video, there's also sunshine. These are Kaylee's dream. I have really big sliding doors, so we have a huge opening to outside, and across here was the wall. So if I go the way I went in the first video, I came down the corridor and I went into the kitchen, which I think was blue, and obviously the wall's gone, the chimney breast is gone. We put in this beautiful elm slab, which we're very happy with, and our breakfast bar. Still got loads of things to do, like we're going to have lots of storage on this wall when we get there. We've got a toast station. Under there is a gable, so when we have more time, we'll get an island in there where we know how big it can be. And then through here, this is the only room we actually haven't done anything to except put new carpet into. It's all set up for a home bath at the moment. So that's in there, not much else to show. The old bathroom is still the old bathroom. It will become a storeroom, but right now, until we get our new hot water system, it's staying as it is. And then the old bedroom, very excitingly, is now our bathroom. Kaylee bit the tiles, I absolutely love them. Her mum gave us a freestanding bath. There's little things that make us really excited in this house, like having extractor fans. There was one in the kitchen as well. Didn't ever have that. And we kept the sink from the old bathroom, moved it in. That's our underfloor setup in there. Just needs connecting when we get the new hot tank. Ooh. Sorted out the little toilet. Still needs bits and pieces doing in there, but. And then our bedroom. Putting a new window on the wall. Here's another bit of that elm. The offcut from the sink. The windowsill. And then again, another Kaylee dream was to have patio doors in the bedroom, so we had loads of light and could walk outside. I think we've definitely achieved lots of light. The house is so bright, it's lovely, it really is. So we've been in here for 11 days now, and we're actually camping in the living room, just keeping this all ready for the incoming arrival of a little baby Renzi. But we're ready to go. Loads of little things to do, loads of things, like need to sort the cupboard out. This was part of the kitchen and we've turned it around, so we actually have a decent sized cupboard in here. There's just lots of like finishing off to do, but that is for the future. So yeah. And then most importantly, the arch. We were going to block this off, was the original plan, and have it like a cozy corner, but the second we put that door in, we realised that's criminal, we couldn't do that. And Kaylee's just the arch, and I'm very glad she did. Yeah, so the new tour. The date we had to finish by, I said to Kaylee, was 7th of August, and we finished on the 7th of August. This floor has been down for a grand total of, what date is it today? Today's the 19th, so 14 days we've had a floor ready to go.